Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Delhi Capitals and Chennai Super Kings. Delhi sit comfortably on the top two on the points table, while Chennai look to gain some momentum in order to make it to the top 4. The two teams have battled it out 22 times in the past, with CSK being victorious 15 times. Who makes it to the Fantasy 11 of this match? Let's find out. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a living legend. Even after having retired from international cricket, the best finisher of the game has been striking the ball a long way. His issue with the heat in his previous game could be an indication for some trouble for CSK, but he has strived all the way to make his team home. If given a chance, he can always turn matches around in just a matter of few overs. This thus makes him our first pick. Shikhar Dhawan. Shikhar Dhawan has been in good form this season so far. His knock in the previous games would have boosted his confidence, and he will be looking to score plenty against the CSK side this game. With over 250 runs to his name this season already, he has proved to be a valuable opener for Delhi Capitals this season. This makes him our second pick. Faf du Plessis. Faf du Plessis has been the highest run getter for CSK this season so far. He already has over 200 runs to his name and has played sublime knocks this season. He will be looking to bounce back into form after the not so good games that he had in the previous few games. This ability of his striking the ball a long way with a great strike rate makes him our third pick. Ambati Rayudu. Ambati Rayudu has been one of the biggest match winners for CSK since last year. His explosive batting on the top of the order makes him a threat to any bowling lineup. This season, however, he has not been in his best form, and he will be looking at this game as an opportunity to recreate something that he did in the first game of this season. This thus makes him our fourth pick. Marcus Stoinis. Marcus Stoinis is an explosive all-rounder. He had already shown his skills with the bat early in the tournament, and he has also proved that he can contain runs in the death overs with the ball. Bowling to the star-studded batting lineup of CSK will be challenging, but he seems to have been loving challenges and performing well under pressure. This all-round performance and his ability to win games with both the bat and the ball makes him our fifth pick. Sam Curran. The young man Sam Curran has been proving to be an asset to the experienced side of Chennai Super Kings. He is one of the highest wicket takers for CSK this season, and he has played explosive cameos at the top of the order and down in the lower order, and this only shows of his potential of how destructive he can be with the bat too. His strike rate of 190 this season bears the testimony of the same. He is a brilliant all-rounder and a good fielder too, which earns him the sixth spot in R11 and also makes him the captain of R11. Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja is proving to be a handy all-rounder this season. He has become a dependable lower order batsman who can strike the ball very well and a bowler who can pick up wickets. His strike rate of over 160 shows how well he is striking the ball at this moment. He was able to spin the ball in the previous game and pick up wickets because of it, and he will be looking to do the same thing in this game too. This thus makes him our seventh pick. Kagiso Rabada. Kagiso Rabada has been very confident ever since his performance in the Super Over early in the tournament. Since then, he has just been on a wicket-taking form and is currently the highest wicket-taker in IPL this season. He has been a very difficult bowler to go after, and he will play a crucial role in containing the batsmen of CSK. Yorkers are his strength and he bowls at a very fast pace, making him a threatening bowler. This makes him our vice captain and our eighth pick. Ravichandran Ashwin. Since his return from the injury, Ravichandran Ashwin has been in good form. With an economy rate of as low as 6.73 and 7 wickets to his name already, he is looking to be in his vintage form with the ball. He will be looking to cause troubles for the CSK batsmen with his variations. This thus makes him our ninth pick. Shardul Thakur. Shardul Thakur has been in decent bowling form. He is picking up wickets by also bowling very well in the death overs. His bowling in the previous match in the death over would have boosted his confidence. He can contain runs really well and will be a player to be watched out for this match as he finds himself to be fitting in the CSK squad very well. This thus makes him our 10th pick. Deepak Chahar. Deepak Chahar is one of the best CSK bowlers in the power play. His record shows that he loves to bowl in the power play as most of his wickets come in that point of the game. He can swing the ball both the ways, which make him a threat to any batsman in the tournament. He is a key bowler for CSK as he will be looking to pick up early wickets to get CSK an advantage. This earns him the final spot in our 11. These are the 11 players who we believe will impact this game the most by taking the highest fantasy points to their names. Who is your favorite pick? Let us know down below.